Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying what you actually have, print type, and use isInstance to confirm the object class. Once done, inspect dir object to list attributes so you know what's available, and make sure your imports aren't shadowed by local files with the same name. If a name conflict exists, rename the file or change import style. This early check prevents chasing phantom attributes and clarifies whether the attribute should exist at all. You now trace where the attribute should originate, examine the class definition and any parent classes so you understand inheritance. Make sure it always sets the attribute. Conditional assignments create intermittent errors. Once you find the setter, confirm spelling and runtime conditions. Use getAttr, objAttr, none to probe safely, then log or breakpoint to see when it's created. This approach shows the how and why of missing attributes and guides a targeted fix. You finish by applying a robust fix. Add explicit assignments in init or implement a property that returns a safe default, so attribute access becomes deterministic. Then refactor any dynamic attribute creation into well-defined methods, because predictable state prevents future attribute error. After changes, run the code path and create a concise unit test that reproduces the access to validate the solution. Troubleshooting tip. If errors persist, add a breakpoint where the object is created and inspect its state step by step.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.